A toilet clogged with non-flushable items is one of the most annoying household problems you can run into, but you can totally handle it yourself without calling a plumber. Okay, so first off, don't freak out and start flushing like crazy, because that just makes everything worse. Grab some gloves because you're going to get your hands a little dirty. Sorry, but it's part of the deal. Try using a plunger first. Make sure you have a good seal around the drain hole and push down and pull up slowly to loosen the blockage. If that doesn't work, take a toilet auger or snake. It's like a long, bendy wire, and slowly feed it into the toilet to break up or pull out whatever's stuck. Avoid using chemical drain cleaners since they can mess up your pipes and aren't great for toilets. If you spot the item near the top, sometimes you can fish it out by hand or with a pair of tongs. After you get the clog out, flush the toilet a few times to make sure it's flowing smoothly again, and going forward, only flush toilet paper and human waste. No wipes, paper towels, feminine products, or anything else that says do not flush on the package. One of the biggest mistakes people make with toilet clogs caused by non-flushable items is trying to flush multiple times, which just causes overflow and more mess. Instead, stop flushing immediately and grab your tools. Another common issue is using harsh chemical cleaners that can damage your plumbing and still might not clear the clog, so stick to manual removal tools like plungers and augers instead. The third mistake is ignoring the problem and hoping it goes away on its own, which just leads to worse blockages and expensive repairs later. Tackling it right away with these DIY tips saves you time and money. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors for any home repair or improvement needs, making sure you find the right person for the job without all the stress. It also gives contractors a platform to showcase their skills and get more work, so everyone wins when it comes to fixing stuff around the house.